Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about something that affects all of us, a way to take care of ourselves from the inside out. You know, there's a simple, completely natural way to help our bodies better manage blood sugar and cholesterol. This isn't some magic potion that replaces your doctor. We need to make that clear right from the start. But it is a valuable addition, a loving gesture we can add to our daily lives to feel better, stronger, and healthier. It's a small daily routine that can make a big difference. Think of it as a loyal friend on your journey to a better life. This natural recipe, which I'll share with you at the end, works well with other good habits. It goes perfectly with a balanced diet, full of colors and fresh ingredients. We don't need to go overboard. A little walking, a little joy, a little self-care. This mix comes to boost our efforts and give an extra push for balance. But why is it so important to talk about blood sugar and cholesterol? The answer is simple, because it affects all of us, directly or indirectly. Many people, maybe even us, have high blood sugar levels, often without knowing it. The same goes for high cholesterol. When it's not controlled, it acts like an invisible burden. Over time, it raises the risk to our heart health. Our heart is the engine of our body. High sugar and cholesterol tire out our blood vessels and cause inflammation that strains the system. The good news? We have the power to make a difference. Small, steady changes bring huge results. We just need to start with small steps. With a natural blend, we help reduce sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals and improve our lipid profile, lowering LDL and boosting HDL. Let's get to the heart of the matter. Our two amazing superfoods are cinnamon and garlic. Cinnamon, with its warm smell, isn't just for desserts. It's a powerful natural helper that lowers blood sugar levels, especially after meals rich in carbs. It works by acting like insulin, making your cells more sensitive so sugar can enter for energy. It's full of antioxidants that fight off bad stuff and swelling. We use small amounts and prefer Ceylon cinnamon, which has less coumarin, a substance that can harm your liver if you have too much. Garlic, on the other hand, has been used for centuries and helps lower total and bad LDL cholesterol. The secret is allicin, which is released when garlic is chopped or crushed. Let it sit for a few minutes after cutting for the best benefits. Besides cholesterol, it fights swelling, germs, and viruses, boosting your body's defenses. Raw, crushed garlic in our mix gives us the most powerful stuff. Next, let's talk about two liquid helpers: apple cider vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. Apple cider vinegar, thanks to its acetic acid, helps control blood sugar. If you take it before a meal that's high in carbs, it slows down how fast your stomach empties. It lowers your body's sugar response and helps you feel less hungry, which can help with weight management. Always mix it with water to protect your teeth and throat. Extra virgin olive oil is a superfood. It's full of monounsaturated fats that make your cholesterol numbers better. They lower the bad cholesterol, LDL, and boost the good cholesterol, HDL. It also has something called oleocanthal, which fights inflammation similar to some well-known medicines. It helps your body soak up vitamins that dissolve in fat, and also offers its own protective benefits to your body. It's a key part of the Mediterranean diet, protecting your heart and calming down long-term, low-level inflammation. And now, it's time for a less famous but powerful friend, fenugreek. The seeds are full of soluble fiber that forms a gel, slowing down how fast sugars and fats are absorbed. This helps lower blood sugar spikes after meals and improves your cholesterol levels. It binds to bile acids, making your body use cholesterol from your blood to make new ones. Studies show it makes your body more sensitive to insulin, meaning better sugar control. And finally, the details that really make this mix shine: lemon and honey. Lemon, packed with vitamin C, boosts your immune system and keeps your blood vessels flexible. Honey, on the other hand, is optional, just a tiny bit for flavor, ideally 1 teaspoon. Even though it's natural, it's still a type of sugar. If you're really focused on strict sugar control, it's best to skip the honey in your mix. What's interesting isn't just what each ingredient does on its own, but how they all work together. Synergistic action means that the final result is bigger than just adding up all the parts. Cinnamon helps your cells take in sugar. Apple cider vinegar slows down how fast sugar gets into your blood. That's a double shield against sugar spikes. The fiber in fenugreek makes this action even stronger, helping to keep things steady. Garlic lowers how much bad cholesterol your liver makes. Olive oil helps get rid of bad cholesterol, while fenugreek grabs onto bile acids. That's a triple attack against high cholesterol. Cinnamon, garlic, olive oil, and lemon create a shield against stress on your cells and swelling, getting to the root of the problem. The best time to take it is 15 to 30 minutes before your main meal. This could be before lunch or even before breakfast if you're an early riser. We want to give the apple cider vinegar and fenugreek time to work, so they can be absorbed slowly and smoothly. Remember to combine this with lots of vegetables, good carbs, and some light exercise. It's not a magic wand that can undo unhealthy eating habits. Before you start, it's really important to talk to your doctor, especially if you're taking medication for blood sugar, blood pressure, or cholesterol. If you're on anti-diabetic medications, this mixture could lower your blood sugar even more, which puts you at risk for hypoglycemia. A quick note on ingredients. Garlic has a mild blood-thinning effect, so be careful if you're taking blood thinners. Cassia cinnamon in large amounts can be hard on your liver, so it's better to choose Ceylon cinnamon and stick to the recommended amounts. And of course, avoid any ingredients you know you're allergic to. Keep an eye on your blood sugar and cholesterol levels with regular checkups, and work with your doctor to make sure everything is safe and to adjust anything if needed. The magic happens when you fit this mix into a plan for overall care. Try to eat fewer processed foods, ready-made meals, sugary drinks, and sweets. Fill your plate with vegetables and salads. Pick whole fruits instead of juices. Choose whole grains, like brown rice and whole wheat pasta. Add beans, fish, and lean meat to your diet. Moving your body is key. A 30-minute brisk walk every day helps your body use insulin better and helps with weight control. Dancing, gardening, biking, yoga. The important thing is to move and enjoy it. Good sleep and managing stress keep your hormones balanced. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep and short breaks to relax. A few minutes of meditation, deep breaths, music, time with loved ones. A whole body approach is the key. Hey, and now we've reached the moment you've all been waiting for. Time for the exact recipe. Cinnamon, 1 tablespoon, Ceylon is best. Garlic, 3 medium cloves, well crushed. Apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons, unfiltered with the mother. Extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons. Fenugreek, 1 tablespoon powder. Juice from 1 lemon. Honey, 1 teaspoon, optional. Lukewarm water, about 200 ml. Pour lukewarm, not hot, water into a clean glass or a bottle that seals. Add the apple cider vinegar and stir gently. Pour in the olive oil. If it floats, that's normal. Add the cinnamon powder and fenugreek. Stir very well until there are no lumps. Add the crushed garlic, stir and squeeze in the fresh lemon juice. If you like, add 1 teaspoon of honey and stir. Let the mixture sit for 5 minutes. Drink the whole amount 15 to 30 minutes before your main meal, once a day. You can make a larger batch for 3 to 4 days and keep it in the fridge. Shake before use. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.